morning class. Welcome to grade 5 maths. How are you all doing today? So today let's learn how we can add decimal numbers. So let's see what are the steps involved in adding decimal numbers. The first step is to convert all the given decimal numbers into like decimals. And then what you have to do? You have to write the like decimal numbers one below the other in such a way that the digits in the same place come in the same column, and also make sure you are putting the decimal point also in the same column. Once you are done with that, you can add the like decimals. And in the sum, make sure you put the decimal point directly below the decimal point in the given numbers. So let's make it more clear with examples. Add 341.08, 871.121 and 55.1. So the given decimal numbers here are unlike decimals. See, the first number has 2 digits after the decimal point, whereas in the second number there are 3 digits after the decimal point, and in the third number there is only 1 digit after the decimal point. So there is a maximum of 3 digits after the decimal point in the given numbers. So let's convert them to like decimals by adding enough number of zeros to the given numbers. So 871.121 has 3 digits after the decimal point. We can write 341.08 as 341.080 and 51.1 can be written as 55.100. The values remain the same and we have changed all the unlike decimals to like decimals. Now the next step is to write the like decimals one below the other so that the digits in the same place fall in the same column. So you have the 1000s aligned in the same column, 100s aligned in the same column, 110s aligned in the same column, and the ones in the same column, the tens and then the hundreds. All the digits are arranged in proper places, and we have made sure that the decimal point is also in the same line. Now we can add the given numbers just like we add whole numbers. Now starting with the digits at the extreme right, let's add 0 plus 1 plus 0. What is it? It is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. Now 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So let's write the 0 here and carry over the 1 to the next place. Now 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0 is 2 itself, plus 1 it is 3. Then put the decimal point, the digits in the ones place. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 5 plus 7, 12 plus 4, 16. Let's write the 6 here and carry over the 1 to the next place. Now 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 goes in the hundreds place and 1 goes in the thousands place. So what is the total or what is the sum? The sum is 1267.301 or 341.08 plus 871.121 plus 55.1 is equal to 1267.301. Clear? Now, let's look at a word problem. Mansi walked 3.14 km on Monday, 2.8 km on Tuesday and 3.2 km on Wednesday. Find the total distance she covered in all the 3 days. So what is given in the question? 3 distances that Mansi covered, each on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. They are given. You are asked to find out what is the total distance that she covered in all the 3 days together. So let's write the steps. The distance covered on Monday, and that is equal to 3.14 km. And the distance covered on Tuesday is 2.82 km. and the distance covered on Wednesday is equal to 3.2 kilometer. Now the distance traveled or distance covered in all the 3 days is equal to the distance covered on Monday plus the distance covered on Tuesday plus the distance covered on Wednesday, and that is equal to 3.14 kilometer plus 2.82 kilometer plus 3.2 kilometer. You have to add these decimal numbers and look at these numbers. The first step is to convert the given decimal numbers to like decimals. So here we have 2 digits after the decimal point, here also, but here there is only 1 digit after the decimal point. So let's make the number of digits after the decimal point equal. So that is 3.2 can be written as 3.20. Now we can add all the like decimals. So we have arranged them in proper places. So let's start adding the 100s first. So it is 0 plus 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 1, 11. So you write the 1 here and carry over the 1 to the next place after the decimal point and put the decimal point here. Now 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer? The answer is 9.16. So Mansi covered 9.16 kilometer in 3 days. Clear? Now, you have to go to the topic addition of decimals in page number 87 of your textbook, and then you have to do some questions today as an activity. In exercise 5.4, you can see the questions 1A to 1H, and you also have to do question number 7 from the exercise 5.4. So once you are done with that, you can take the picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.